Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start inside Procreate with a canvas open and your Apple Pencil paired. Navigate to the Actions menu, tap Prefs, then Gesture Controls. This is faster than digging through iPad settings. Once inside Gesture Controls, scan for the Touch option. This is the single control that disables finger input. You're taking this step because Procreate prioritizes stylus precision, and turning Touch off prevents accidental smudges. Follow along now. Make sure the pencil remains connected while you change the setting so Procreate recognizes input modes. Now that you're in Gesture Controls, tap the Touch toggle to switch it off. This is the only way inside Procreate to disable finger painting. Once you flip it, Procreate will immediately prefer the Apple Pencil and ignore touch strokes. This reduces accidental marks and improves precision. After switching, perform a short test. Try drawing with your finger, then with the pencil. If the finger does nothing and the pencil draws, you're done. If not, repeat the toggle and recheck your pencil connection. Finish by returning to your canvas and continuing your work. That confirms the change is active and persistent for future sessions. If touch input still registers, try toggling the touch setting off, on, then off again, and restart Procreate. This often clears recognition glitches. Make sure your iPad OS and Procreate are up to date because firmware mismatches can cause the app to misread input. One key troubleshooting tip: disconnect and reconnect your pencil or reboot the.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.